Hey guys, this is Gary Walker with liveanabolic.com, and in this video I'm going to start off asking a question. Do you have a middle-age metabolism? Alright, if you're a man in your 40s or older, the answer to that is yes, you do. Once you hit 30, your metabolism actually starts to decline 1 to 2% a year. Alright, so the good news for you is I'm about to give you 3 exercises that will help you boost your metabolism and also help you burn some of that unwanted belly fat. Alright? So what you're going to do, we're going to do mountain climbers, body weight squats, and plank walk-ups. You're going to do each one for 30 seconds, which will be round 1. Then you're going to rest 30 seconds and then do round 2. All right? Depending on your fitness level, if you can start with 3 rounds, that's what I want you to do. If 3 rounds is too tough, start with 1, build up to 2, then 3, all right? If 3 rounds is too easy for you, then go straight to 4 or 5 rounds. Just make sure you're challenging yourself, all right? And make sure you're doing these all out. Key points. Keep your core tight, your entire core. You want to keep your abs, your lower back, your hips, and your glutes tight when you're doing these exercises, all right? Keep yourself from getting injured, all right? So what we're going to do is 1 round together. I'm going to start with the mountain climbers. That way I can show you the pace I want you to go at, all right? So we're going to start 30 seconds mountain climbers. Get my timer ready and go. Get butt low, don't bounce. Keep butt and hips low. Back straight and tight. And drive your legs. All right, you're gonna go straight to the squats. I'm actually gonna use a little resistance backpack with some hooks. Don't have to use any, but feel free to use resistance. Same thing here, 30 seconds. Key to these squats, take them low, but stop just short of locking out. You wanna keep constant tension on your muscles, okay? Quads, glutes, hams. Make sure they're working. Again, back straight, tight, knees tracking over your toes. 30 seconds, straight into the plank walk-ups. Start in the elbow plank position, push-up position. Then alternate arms. All right, that's it, guys. 3 exercises, 30 seconds each. That's 1 full round. You allow the full 30 seconds to recover before going into round 2, all right? So feel free, once again, to challenge yourself, push yourself. But this group of exercises will help boost that metabolism. So give it a shot, guys. Do me a favor, before you leave, comment below and let me know what you think of the workout, all right? Also, let me know what other workouts you want to see, what other videos you want me to film for you guys. So I just want to give you some stuff that's going to help you along in your journey. But all right, guys, that's all I got. Get busy, get after it, and God bless.